Hi, my name is Seve-sama. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna go ahead and draw you a portrait, okay? And all you need to do for this entire time is to sit back, relax, and just do some simple eye movements or face movements whenever I need you. But you don't have to do anything, so go ahead and get comfy, okay? Alright. Now, I know you've been saying that you have not been the happiest with my portraits, and I understand that. I'm hearing you. I understand that, but this time I'm gonna draw a really, really cute one that you're really gonna like, okay? I promise. Okay, so just sit back or lay back, whichever is most comfy for you, and let me open up my sketchbook here. Blank page. Here we go. Oh, it has some sketches at the top. Is that okay? Okay, perfect. Now, I have a lot of pages of this sketchbook to use still. I think it'll be exciting filling them all, right? Okay, now, for your portrayal today, I'm going to take some artistic liberties, but don't worry, they're just fun artistic liberties. It's not going to change how you really look, okay? Alright, now, I'm going to go ahead and sketch out your face shape. So, circle the line through the center. Let's make some curves lines on the side. But I can see right now that you have a little bit of a jawbone, so I'll make sure to add that in as well. Perfect. So there's your jaw, then the sides of your face as well. Let me add a line in the center for your eyes. And to me, it looks like your eye shape is a little bit almond-like. At least it has the curve on the top and the curve on the bottom, right? Not slanted or mean or anything. Okay. Perfect. Now, let's go ahead and draw those. I think I'm going to draw them a little bit cuter than they normally are because I think your eyes are really adorable. Now let's draw those pupils. Pupils can be very different because everyone's eyes look different. So yours is a pretty reasonable price. I would actually size. I would actually say that yours is above averagely large, which makes you look even cuter, which I think is a plus. Makes you look more trusting. Perfect. Do you ever find that when people talk to you, they trust you a lot quicker than other people? I have that feeling that people do that. Okay. Your eye color. Okay. Shade it. Shade it in like that. Okay. Now your eyebrows. Your eyebrows are going to be a lot of fun. They're shaped quite nicely. I really like the shape of your eyebrows. They're very unique. Okay, so this one goes like this. And this one goes like this. Okay. So I'm going to make your eyebrows by doing some sparse hairs and then filling it in. So. Let's do the other one. It looks great. I am also going to add a little bit of contour. So the contour is your cheekbones, a little bit of blush, some stuff around your eyes, some shading. Okay, let's add some of that. Going down to your nose, and now we can start drawing your nose. Your nose. I think I'm gonna draw a circle and then 2 circles on the side for nostrils. I think that's what I'll do. Then I'll erase as fit. Circle, circle, circle. Perfect. Very good, very good. And now I'll erase. Okay. Let's draw your lips. Can you go ahead and pucker your lips for me? Go like this. Perfect. Good job. Thank you. Just like that. Okay, your lips have a really nice shape. They go pretty harmoniously with the rest of your face, which is, of course, a good thing, I'm sure. Good. Good, good, good. Okay. I'm gonna do a little bit of shading underneath your lips. Everybody has some. Okay. Now, I'm going to tackle your neck. So I'm just going to gently trace the contours of your neck and how it connects to your head, okay? Can I do that? Okay. Just stay very still for me. Good. Okay, I think I got it. Now all I have to do is draw that same contour on the paper. There we go. Perfect. Now we just have to do your hair. And your hair kind of is a little bit like this. I would have to fill it in. Yeah, it goes down. Okay. Like that. Okay. I think I got the essence of it. Do you mind if I touch your hair a little bit? I'm just gonna finagle it just a little. Okay, perfect. I'll draw it with some long strands, and then those will turn into hair, if I draw enough of them. Your hair is nice and fluffy, so I'm gonna make it extra fluffy for a little bit of a cartoon look. And I'll shade it in a little too. You know, the shadows, highlights, and everything. Perfect, okay. Now, any accessories you have on your face, I'm going to add them in here. And if you don't, I'll make up some for some artistic flair. Okay. Let me add that. I'll add some blush onto your nose. Like I said, onto your cheeks. I think I have to do a little more though. And for your body, well, I guess I can draw a little something something. Okay, give me 1 second. This will be a surprise. Perfect. Okay. Are you excited to see it? Are you ready? Okay. Close your eyes. 3, 2, 1.5. I'll just show you like this. Okay, you can open your eyes. Doesn't it look just like you? It's cute. You have beautiful eyelashes and your eyes are a wonderful color, and your lips match your face really well, and you have the blush, you have some eyebrows. Then you even have some fluffy hair. You have some fluffy hair down here too. And I added the ears. I know some people are self-conscious about them, so I didn't mention them that much. Well, does it look like you? What do you mean? I think the resemblance is pretty uncanny. You're both really cute. And I took your features and I made it into something ultra cute. A cute little bunny. Not exactly what you're looking for. But look. Look at those beautiful eyes right there. And you can see the nose. It has the blush on it as well. Then you can look at that fluff. And look at those little feet too, and those little hands. Isn't it so cute? Okay. Well, I might be teasing you again, but I really do think that you resemble a bunny in a good way, of course. You don't need to worry, okay? Maybe next time I'll draw you a real portrait that you'll like to show